Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video is on the latest news available from the Realme smartphone company. In the various Realme related developments, the company's India CEO Madhav Sheth revealed that the company has decided to bring a 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage variant of Realme X2 Pro in the country. The launch date has not been decided yet, but according to the latest updates from the Realme smartphone company, the smartphone will carry a price tag of Rs 28,000. Presently, Realme X2 Pro is available in two variants, a first variant with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and the second variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Additionally, Sheth also said that the company is working on a 108 megapixel camera phone as well as a fitness band, which are expected to be released in 2020. For more details on Realme X2 Pro smartphone, you can get the link in the description or in the I button above for the related videos. Realme is also preparing to launch its first 5G phone, Realme X50 5G, in its home market by January 2020. A quick outlook on Realme X50 5G smartphone features. The Realme X50 5G smartphone comes in with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor along with a Whoop 4.0 flash charge support for ultra-fast charging. Additionally, it will feature a side fingerprint sensor along with quad rear camera setup and dual punch-hole display and more. For more details about Realme X50 5G smartphone, the link of the video will be in the description as well as in the I button above. This was the latest update from Realme smartphone company. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button to receive the notifications of the new videos from this channel. Thank you.